Thanks so much for tuning into today's video. So we're starting off with morning hair, and this is a 4-day-old twist out, and I want to style it different. So I'm going to be using my Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel to help me lock in my style. So this gel is enriched with flaxseed and wheat protein, and it adds nourishment to the hair while giving bounce and stretch to withering curls, twists, and coils. So for today's style, we're using it for hold. So let's jump right into this style. So I am going to go ahead and take out my mini pineapples. I will link a video to how I do my mini pineapples and why I do my mini pineapples. Check the description box down below, or you can click this cards right here. So yeah, I'm just going to take out all of my bands and just kind of stretch my hair out, get my curls a moving and a jumping so that we can get this style on the roll. All right, you guys, so I'm going for a mohawk look. So I'm just going to be sectioning off a section of hair here. I'm going straight down towards my ear. You don't need to part it off. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to take a small amount of my Aunt Jackie's flaxseed gel, and I'm going to apply it on my edges and also around the part, because we want this to be a nice clean look. So even though our parts aren't straight, we still want our twist to be nice and clean. So I'm going to apply a twist, not a 2-strand flat twist, but a twisty. If you guys remember what those were back in the day, I used to wear these all the time. Basically, I twisted my hair all the way up, grabbing hair as I went, and then I pinned it down with a bobby pin. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put 3 twisties on each side and bobby pin them down to give me the look that I want. So as you can see here, just watch and see how I do this, guys. So once my twisties are in, I'm just going to fluff out the remaining of my hair just to get it in the shape that I want. I am tapered, so I love the look even more when the hair is focused on the top of my head. So now I'm going to add some jewels to this hairstyle, and I got these little round things at my beauty supply store. They didn't necessarily come like that. They actually had a hanging attachment, but I took that attachment off because I just wanted the ring, and then I applied the ring all down the side of one of my twisties, and I absolutely love the way that it looked. So take a look and see how I did this. And to balance this style out, I just took the same gold jewel, but I left the heart attachment on, and I put it on one of the twisties on the opposite side. So this is my final look, you guys. This is definitely a style I would do when I get tired of my wash and go or twist out or any other set for that matter. I think it looks so cute on tapered hair, and the jewels just make it your own. Oh, you guys can find the Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed Gel at your local Walmart. Also check out the Aunt Jackie's curlsandcoils.com website to find the store nearest you. You can search their store locator for that information. Let me know your thoughts on this style. Is this something that you would wear? I appreciate you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.